Continental theory. In this concept, policemen are regarded as state or servants of the higher authorities. This theory prevails in the European countries where the governmental organization follows the centralized pattern: Spain, Italy, and France. The people have no share or little participation with the duties or connection with the police organization. Criminal Investigation Division has been vested with the responsibility which primarily pertains to the coordination of criminal information and the investigation of crimes not resolved by the patrol officers. Criminal Laboratory. The Central Crime Laboratory to be headed by a director with the rank of Chief Superintendent, which provides scientific and technical investigative and support to the PNP and other government investigative agencies. Crime Prevention refers to the reduction or elimination of the opportunity to commit a crime. Crime Prevention and Coordination Service unit which shall undertake criminological researchers and studies, formulate a national crime prevention and information program, and provide editorial direction for all criminology research and crime prevention publication. Criminal Investigation Unit. It is headed by a director with the rank of Chief Superintendent. The Criminal Investigative Unit shall undertake the monitoring, investigation and prosecution of all crimes involving economic sabotage and commission by highly placed or professional criminal syndicates and organizations. Decision. A written disposition of a case personally signed by the disciplinary authority containing facts established during the hearing, the findings and conclusions, as well as the pertinent and relevant laws and jurisprudence applicable thereon. Delegation of authority. The process of committing an activity to care of another. Delineation of authority. Lines of authority and responsibility and should be definite, clear, and so that responsibility is properly fixed and duplication avoided. In the police service, each one knows where he fits in the pattern, to whom he is responsible and who is responsible to them. Demotion. A penalty or reduction of rank. Deployment. It shall mean the orderly and organized physical movement of elements of the PNP within the province, city or municipality for purpose of employment. Direction. It deals with the procedure of what is to be done, who is to do it, and when, where, and how it is to be done. Disciplinary Appellate Board refers to the formal administrative disciplinary appellate machinery consisting of the National Appellate Board and Regional Appellate Board, established by NAPOLCOM. Dispositum Portion refers to that part of decisions which declares whether the respondent is guilty or not guilty of the charge. District refers to a geographical subdivision of a city for a patrol purposes. District Jail Warden refers to the head of district offices of the BJMP with the rank of Chief Inspector. Division. It is primary subdivision of a bureau. Due process refers to the right to be given opportunity to present one's side and submit evidence in support therefor. Employment refers to the utilizations of units or elements of the PNP for purpose of promote. Execution deals with performance of orders followed and done with commensurate authority to fulfill the responsibility. Exoneration is the declaration of the respondent's innocence. The disciplinary authority under summary proceeding. Extra-departmental plans. These are plans designed to guide the organization, the community of the to assists in accomplishing the police objectives in the field of juvenile and delinquency prevention, traffic control, and organized crimes. Finance Center. Headed by a director with the rank of Chief Superintendent, the Finance Center shall be responsible for providing financial services to the PNP. Field Officers. Also known as Senior Officer. These categories include Senior Superintendent, Superintendent and Chief Inspector. Field Procedures. They are intended to be used in all situations of all kinds and serves as a guide to officers in the field on the procedures related to the following: reporting, dispatch raids, arrests, stopping suspicious persons, receiving complaints, patrolling, and conduct of investigation of crimes. Field Training Program. All uniformed members of the PNP shall undergo a field training program for 12 months involving actual experience and assignment in patrol, traffic, and investigation as a requirement for permanency of their appointment. Finance Service. Unit which shall provide the Commission with staff services and assistance of the budgetary and financial matters, includes the overseeing of the processing and disbursements of funds pertaining to the scholarship program and surviving children or deceased and or permanently incapacitated PNP personnel. Administration denotes functions that determine the basic policies, programs, and objectives of an organization and the means and methods to be employed to achieve them. Administrative law, branch of law dealing with activities of executive or administrative agencies known sometimes as boards, bureau or commissions with power to determine controversies or prices. Administrative method refers to the procedures for formulating rational decisions based on collected and interpreted information as opposed to intuitive persuasions. Administrative personnel refers to those belonging to the second-level managers bracket such as patrol watch commanders. Affidavit, a sworn statement in writing voluntarily made before a notary public of any other officer authorized to administer oaths. Appealed policy. His type of policy is born when problems arises at the lower levels of the organization and the man in charge does not know how to meet the problem. Assistant Regional Director of Jail Management Penology refers to the assistant heads of the department regional officers with the rank of senior superintendent. Attrition by demotion in position of rank. Any PNP uniformed personnel, commissioned or non-commissioned officer, who is relieved and assigned to a position lower than what is established for his or her own grade in the PNP staffing pattern and who shall not be assigned to a position commensurate to his or her grade within 18 months after such demotion in position shall be retired or separated. Attrition by non-promotion. Any PNP uniformed personnel who has not been promoted for a continuous period of 10 years shall be retired or separated. Attrition by relief. A PNP uniformed personnel who have been relieved for just cause has not been given an assignment within 2 years after such relief shall be retired or separated. Auxiliary service divisions. Police work that encompasses such specialties as records and communication, criminalities, detention and property management. Narcotic units. Headed by a director with the rank of chief superintendent, the narcotic units shall enforce all laws relative to the protection of the citizenry against dangerous and other prohibited drugs and substances. National Appellate Board, primarily grievance machinery against errant policemen, vested to decide cases in appeal from decisions rendered by the PNP chief and the regional appellate boards. National Complainant refers to any PNP officer who is required to file and institute charges by reason of their office or position. Old concept. Police service is give the impression of being merely suppressive machinery. This philosophy advocates that the yardstick of police competence is the increasing number of arrest-throwing offenders in detention facilities rather than trying and prevent them from commit a crime. Operational supervision and control shall mean the power to direct, superintendent, and oversee day-to-day function of the police investigation of crime prevention activities, and traffic control in accordance with the rule and regulation promulgated by the Commission. Optional retirement. Upon accumulation at least 20 years of satisfactory active service, an officer or non-officer at his own request and with the approval of the Commission shall be retired from the service and entitled to receive benefits provided for by law. Organization. It is the arrangement of people with common purpose and objective in a manner to enable the performance of related tasks by individuals grouped for the purpose. This organization can be functional line and staff, etc. depending on the objectives and functions of the organization. Kaibigan, nagustuhan mo ba ang topic na ito? Sana ay mayroon kang natutunan ngayong araw. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, ay maraming salamat sa'yo. Kung gusto mo pa ng mga videos na kagaya nito ay mag-follow, like at share ka lang sa @RCJ4 Educational Blog upang patuloy kitang ma-notify sa aking mga future uploads. Hanggang dito na lang kaibigan at mag-iingat ka palagi. At maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. God bless at hanggang sa muli.